Today my topic is opportunity cost and production possibility curve. Opportunity cost and production possibility curve. Here, look at figure. It's Y goods and X goods. This figure Y goods and X goods. At point A, at point A equal A equal 20. 20 y. So y equal 20. Then x 0. At point B equal y equal 0. Then x equal 10. Okay. This relationship can be expressed with a curve which is called the production possibility curve or production possibility frontier or production possibility boundary. It's evident from this figure that any increase in either x or y is possibility only at the expense of some unities of the other. Accordingly, we can express the cost of one good in terms of the other. We can express the opportunity cost of one unit of x in terms of y as follows. Y equal half x. So then we can solve y equal 0.5 x. In this example, the production possibility curve PPC is a constraint opportunity cost at all levels of production. Level of production. This slope equal opportunity cost delta y divide delta x equal slope equal opportunity cost at point A y equal 20, then at B equal x equal 10. X equal 10. Here y equal 20. But practically we cannot expect such a situation. Why? Resources are not equally productive for all types of goods and services. Certain resources can be more productive for some goods and service, while certain resources can be less productive for them. Therefore, if a particular economy is allocating all its resources to produce only one, produce only one good, both more productive and less productive resources have to be allocated for that. In such a situation, we cannot expect a constrained opportunity cost at any level of production. Why? Suppose that in our simple economy, all resources have been allocated to product X, to product X. We know that some resources are more productive for X, while some are less productive for X. Less productive resources for X can be more productive for Y. Suppose that this particular economy wants to product both X and Y, both X and Y. Since all resources are really allocated for producing X, so producing X, producing X, we will have to remove some resources for X and allocate them for Y. In this process of remote resources, what we can do is remove resource for X, which are less production for X, but more productive for Y. There are reduction in the output of X will be less than the increase in the output of Y. The reduction in the output of X will be less than the increase in the output Y. Think way. However, if we continue this relation of resources from X to Y, what will happen? What will happen? There may be situation where we will have to remove resources from X which are more productive for X but less productive for Y. Then what will be the result? The reduction in the output of X will be more than the increase in the output of Y. when we compare both instances, it should be clear that the opportunity cost of producing 1 unit of Y in terms of X is lower at the beginning and start at increase subsequently. So we cannot see constraint opportunity cost situation in the practical world. It is increasing with the increase in output. Therefore, more applicable production possibility curve is rather a curve than a straight line or simple line. Simple line. Compare change in the production of X and Y at different points on the PPC production possibility curve and try to understand the relationship between the increase in opportunity cost and the convergence of production possibility curve. Shape, shape. Y puts an X. It's simple like this is connect. This PPC is built with two main assets. So, for example, all available resources are fully utilized and the technology remained unchanged. It's important. All available resources are fully utilized and the technology remained unchanged. All points on the PPC indicate such a situation. The economy has to either improve technology or find new resources. With economic growth, economics can rate points above the current PPC. Economic growth. Economic growth. It's like A1, B1, A1, A1, A, O, A star, B star. Growth, economic growth. PPC. Okay. The economy has to either improve technology or find new resources with economic growth. Economics can read points about the current PPC production possibility curve. Okay. The now production possibility curve. So equal slope equal opportunity cost. Okay. Today my topic is over.